Welcome to a world of rebirth. Look at these forgotten scraps of paper once useful, now just clutter waiting for a second chance to shine today. Have you ever wondered where your recycled paper goes? Today we witness the satisfying metamorphosis from messy waste into pure, soft rolls of white toilet paper. It seems impossible, but the journey of transformation is real. Stay with us as we uncover the secrets of modern engineering and the magic of recycling. Witness the power of innovation. This visual journey will change the way you look at trash forever, showing you the incredible potential hidden in every scrap. We are curious about our global community. Please tell us in the comments which country you are from and what time it is for you now. The factory is ready, the machines are humming, and the process is about to begin. Prepare yourself for a visual experience that is both educational and satisfying. Every great change starts with a single step. For this paper, it begins with water, the element that will break down its past to build its future. Do not look away because right now, we are starting a journey of ultimate satisfaction. Let's see how these scraps become something essential for every home. The first step is breaking the structure. Paper is dumped into a hydrapulper, a giant mixer that uses water force to dissolve the solid waste. These blades are incredibly powerful, spinning with enough force to turn mountains of cardboard into a thick liquid soup in just a few short minutes. Did you know that paper fibers are remarkably resilient? They can be recycled up to 7 times before they become too short to be used again. At a microscopic level, the magic is happening. The water penetrates the fibers, separating them and turning the once hard paper into a soft, malleable pulp. It is fascinating to see how something as rigid as a cardboard box becomes so vulnerable and soft the moment it encounters the power of water. This gray mixture is called pulp. It contains all the fibers we need, but it also carries everything else that was on the original paper scraps. The first stage of cleaning begins here. Vibrating screens act as guards, catching any plastic staples or tape that accidentally made it into the recycling bin. Magnets play a crucial role too. They pull out any metal fragments, ensuring that the final product will be perfectly safe and soft for our skin. The consistency must be just right. Engineers monitor the density of the pulp constantly to ensure the fibers are perfectly suspended in the water mixture. It is a violently necessary process. By breaking everything down to the basic fiber, we can build something entirely new and much cleaner than before. The scale of this operation is truly massive. Hundreds of tons of waste are processed every single day to meet the global demand for paper products. Now that the paper is liquefied, it is time for the purification. We are moving from the rough breakdown to the delicate art of deep cleaning. Cleaning is an art form here. Centrifugal cleaners spin the pulp at incredible speeds using gravity and force to separate the pure fibers from impurities. De-inking is the next challenge. We must remove the ink from the newspapers and magazines to ensure our final product is as white as snow. Watch these bubbles rise. They act like tiny elevators, grabbing the ink and carrying it to the surface, leaving the clean fibers behind in the water. This is one of the most satisfying parts of the process, seeing the dark grime being scraped away to reveal the hidden purity of the fibers. With every filter it passes, the pulp becomes lighter and cleaner. We are stripping away the past lives of these fibers to prepare for their future. Modern factories use safe bleaching methods like oxygen and peroxide. These methods are environmentally friendly and highly effective at achieving that bright white look. The transformation is almost instant. As the oxygen interacts with the fibers, any remaining discoloration vanishes, leaving us with a brilliant, clean white liquid pulp. Doesn't this look incredibly satisfying? The transition from dirty waste to this pure, cloud-like substance is the heart of the recycling process we love. Quality control is constant. Every batch is tested to ensure it meets the highest standards of hygiene and brightness before moving to the next stage. The environment here is as clean as the product itself. Efficiency and hygiene go hand in hand to create the paper we use every single day. We prioritize the planet. By using closed-loop water systems and safe chemicals, we ensure that our quest for cleanliness doesn't harm the natural world. Keep it moving. The fibers must stay perfectly suspended so they can be distributed evenly when we start forming the actual sheets of paper soon. The cleaning is done and the fibers are pure. Now comes the most dramatic physical change, turning this liquid into a solid ultra-clean sheet. Watch closely as the water begins to leave. This is the moment of birth for the paper, where a liquid stream becomes a tangible material. It is still very wet and very weak, but the structure is there. We are seconds away from the intense heat that refining this transformation. Enter the Yankee Dryer. This car-low heated drum is the heart of the paper machine, turning wet pulp into dry paper. At temperatures near 100 degrees Celsius, the transformation is violent and fast. Steam rises as the water vanishes, leaving behind a thin, dry layer. The drying process is incredibly efficient. Within seconds, the moisture content drops from over 90% to just a fraction of its original level. The paper is now a solid sheet, but it's still stuck to the drum. It needs one more critical step to get that soft texture we know. This is called creping. The blade gently scrapes the paper off, creating thousands of microscopic folds that give toilet paper its signature softness and stretch. Look at that texture. This crinkle is what makes the paper absorbent and gentle on the skin. It's a delicate balance of heat and friction. The speed is breathtaking. The machines move so fast that the human eye can barely see the individual sheets as they fly onto the roll. Extreme heat also acts as a final sanitizer. Any remaining bacteria are destroyed, ensuring that the paper is perfectly hygienic for every household use. The engineering required to keep this massive drum at the perfect temperature and speed is truly a marvel of modern industrial design and science. Every millimeter of this paper is engineered for comfort. The way the fibers are laid down determines the strength and the softness of the final product. It looks like a river of white silk. The continuity of the process is essential to maintaining the uniform quality that consumers expect from their brands. After the heat comes the cool down. Stabilizing the temperature prevents the paper from becoming brittle, keeping it flexible and strong for its intended purpose. Precision is everything. Even a slight variation in thickness could ruin a whole batch. So laser sensors monitor every single inch of the production line. The first major milestone is almost reached. This single giant roll contains enough paper to supply thousands of people with the comfort they need daily. And just like that, the liquid pulp is gone, replaced by a massive solid roll of white gold. We are ready for the final shaping stage. Welcome to the finishing line. These jumbo rolls are massive, but they are about to be transformed into the small, familiar rolls we all know. The core is the spine of the roll. Paper is wound around these cardboard tubes with perfect tension to ensure each roll is firm but soft. Embossing adds more than just beauty. These patterns create air pockets between the layers, significantly increasing the absorbency and the premium feel of the paper. This long tube is what we call a log. It's essentially one giant continuous toilet paper roll that is now ready to be sliced into pieces. The precision is incredible. The saw slices through the paper like a hot knife through butter, creating perfectly even rolls with every single lightning-fast cut. It's a mesmerizing sight. Hundreds of rolls per minute flow through the system, each one identical to the last, ready to be packaged and shipped out. Think about the scale of consumption. With billions of people using dozens of rolls every year, the importance of recycling paper waste becomes very clear indeed. Consistency is key to trust. Every roll must have the same weight and the same number of sheets, ensuring every customer gets exactly what they pay. Packaging happens in the blink of an eye. The machines wrap and seal the rolls, protecting them from dust and moisture during their long journey home. Every detail is handled by automation. The speed and accuracy of these machines are what make modern life so convenient and products so widely available. Watch the robot work. It stacks the packs with tireless precision, building a tower of comfort that will soon be loaded onto a delivery truck. The warehouse is a hive of activity. Without humans, these smart vehicles navigate the floor, organizing thousands of rolls for distribution across the entire world. That small symbol carries a big meaning. It represents a closed loop of consumption and production that helps protect our natural resources and the environment. From the factory to your front door, these rolls travel thousands of miles to provide a basic necessity that we often take for granted every day. It's hard to believe this started as a pile of old newspapers and dusty boxes. The transformation is complete, and the result is truly quite beautiful. The power of recycling is undeniable. We've taken something destined for the landfill and turned it into a high-quality product that everyone needs and uses. Every time you choose recycled paper, you are helping to save a tree. It's a simple choice that has a massive impact on the planet's health. It's a small part of our lives, but it's a vital one. Seeing the journey makes you appreciate the technology and effort that goes into every sheet. We value your feedback. Please let us know what you thought of this journey by typing 1 for useful or 0 if we can improve. Your support keeps us going. We love reading your thoughts and seeing how these behind-the-scenes looks inspire you to think differently about the world around us. Together we can create a sustainable future. Small actions like recycling your paper add up to big changes for the health of our beautiful home planet. The goal is harmony between our needs and nature's limits. Modern technology is the key to making making this balance possible for generations to come in the future. What a satisfying journey it has been. From the chaos of the pulper to the precision of the saw, every step is a testament to human ingenuity. If you enjoyed this satisfying transformation, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more incredible journeys into the heart of how things are made today. Thank you for watching and for being part of our community. Remember, every scrap of paper has a story, and you are part of its rebirth.